the funny thing is, we are not actually on the beach. So we're on the Esplanade. This is in Surfers Paradise. And the waves, oh look, Piper's got sand on his face. Darling, I always wondered what, come here, dogs do like being on the beach. Okay, sit, Piper, sit. Are you enjoying being on the beach? I think Piper's got sand all over his face. Come here, look at you, you got sand all over your face. Hey? Yeah, you got sand all over your face. So, this is the Esplanade, and at the moment the pram, like I said, it's stuck in the sand. So this is the sand. It's come up all the way up here. This is the sand that's blown up off the beach. This is amazing. Look at that. So like I said, this is the Esplanade, and the waves have been so strong last night that they've pushed the sand all the way up here. And look, have a look here. So the steps are covered.